We are live. Streaming stuff for your bitches. Let me get to the point. Let me get to the point. Did a daily CRT, so I want to say 50%. We're rejecting lows. We're still market buys. This is my 10/8/2024 market daily buys for London session. Today, it's probably not gonna be no trade taken just because of how market is looking. Market just did a daily CRT low, got taken out, and this might be the middle placing. Or this will definitely push back down, but the 50% mark of the CRT got hit already. But that's not the point. The point is the 4-hour, right? Because we're trading intraday. The 4-hour drone liquidity right now at the moment is bullish, right? Market took out a size of liquidity, drone liquidity over here and here, and where the market buys is bullish. We know we're conservative here. Bullish, now we're bullish to back down. And with that, what else do we have here in the hourly time frame? Hourly time frame, as I said, man, this is probably the reason why we're not gonna get no setup this session. I mean, unless this candle closes bullish, other one closes bearish, other one closes take out liquidity, then we'll probably have an hourly setup, but when probably have a trade and hope for the best. But today my main goal is to follow all my rules and to take the Model 1 trade entry, since I changed my way of doing my execution now. I went from unicorn model to Model 1. The reason I went to Model 1 is just because of the RR, right? Although it might sound like I'm greedy, but RRs are way better than technicals, right? This is because I know, like, I don't want to be aiming for like 4 RR, 3 RR, right? But RRs are way better than technicals. I want to be going for that. I'm gonna experience way more losses, right? Since I just backtested as well. I do experience loss, but the way I could avoid a lot of losses is by simply applying the same thing as a unicorn model, where a low has to get taken out with a higher time frame key level, right? So a hourly super liquidity. And throughout this backtesting, I'm gonna see on fair value gaps, because I backtested fair value gaps, and I actually, back to my fair value gaps, I did get it set up. Okay, so fair values are good, right? But auto blocks, none of that. I'm not gonna do it because what a Model 1 requires is a high time frame purge of liquidity, right? So a soup, it requires a soup and sweep of liquidity or a fair value get touched, right? With that, it needs to take out liquidity, right? That's a point. It needs to take out liquidity and fill orders. An auto block, breakout block does not offer that in a higher time frame as a main bias, as a main way to use as our confluence. So I'm going to avoid that. But my main goal is going to be today follow that. I'm going to experience a lot more losses, but I'm more sure in check. I'm going to handle all the losses since I'm expected to lose a trade today. If I do get a trade, it's less likely, but New York session should give us some more, better movement. We're currently in a range right now, which is not very nice. We're in a range since we're still in the Monday range, right? Monday tech profit has not suddenly got hit, but now we got another one. Now we got another Monday model, right? Which 50% have already got met, but we're still in a huge range. So I want to see price explode. But we got this Thursday there's CPI, so I got to be careful. I'm not gonna trade Thursday. Not gonna trade Friday. I'm not gonna trade London session, but New York session I'll definitely be trading. But London session I won't be. But all I'm looking forward to for entry for today is the hour-day confluence. So let's just liquidity. This should not be getting hit. This is NFP's low. So CPI should make out the NFP low. But yeah, I want to see it could either price New York should be the price movement, or market goes here, take out this low and goes back up higher. Or market goes up right now, take it as this high, and it goes right back down, right? Which is less likely to happen. But this is my market daily bias. I am bullish for the day. 4 hour bias is bullish, 4 hour is bullish. The 1 hour bias at the moment is bearish, right? So we're looking for a 15 minute model 1. But for the 15-minute time frame, I don't gotta look for the low. So if I just see the confluence there and that being a low, all I gotta do is just for that. Yes, right. Yeah, so for the 15-minute time frame, when there's a successful liquidity here, right, in the 15-minute time frame, and over here there's no lows, but over here there are lows, right? Over here there's not lows, so I could just use this as our stab in the recent low, which is here, and the higher time frame key level. Right, so market will stab into this, then go up higher from here. So yeah, that's all I'm looking at. And yeah, so for 15-minute time frame, I don't have to look for a low, high, then sap the low, right, to making a lower low. I don't have to look for that for 15-minute time frame, but for 5-minute, I definitely do. And that low, high, lower, low, right now in bullish scenario, cannot extend over like 30 minutes, right? It can't be too long, right? It can't be too long of a taking out the low. So let's take out the low, bounce back up, right? If it doesn't, then I'm just gonna look for another low. Yeah, because I back tested it and it got stopped out because of that. Thanks for watching. Let me go read out my notes and I'm gonna get some food and I'm gonna be right back because I made my food yet. And inshallah, I'll stay awake till next session. If I don't stay awake for the next session, I probably will be awake. Probably gonna be taking a nap. That nap is gonna kill me. And when the nap kills me, I'm gonna get cooked, chat. That's all I gotta say. Probably gonna wake up around like 8, 10, 11. Yeah, but I haven't slept all day. I was just backtesting throughout the whole day, chat. I didn't even make my video today. Just that I was just trying to get some ideas out. Alright, so get my thing up, some ideas. make some videos, and I already got some videos, ideas, but I have not learned it actually. So yeah. And I will give you guys a market profile, advanced market structure. So yeah, let me do that to you guys as well. It's the advanced market structure doesn't really matter. Just gonna be a video thing, I just learned it from this other guy, so he said your normal market profile won't be working. Let me go down my notes. Not turning a close time at 8, it looks like I get a building block on that certain weight. On the button 7 PM, on that trade 50 rule, we're calling inflation. Outside the market catches a movement, so I catch retracement. Just a move happens and I don't catch it. When I catch retracement, what's the forward liquidity bullish, what's the forward bias bullish, what's the one liquidity bearish, someone or bias bearish. If the market goes up, takes out the 4-hour high, I'm not looking to take a trade until next session. So if this 4-hour high gets taken out, I'm not looking for no trades. Also, constantly monitor what's the market to avoid market manipulation. Notify drone liquidity by following drone liquidity, including buy side assessed liquidity. Focus on high tariff and then look on a chart on all met. Look for hourly or high tariff conflicts rather than low tariff conflicts. When low tariff against the drone liquidity, seek a 15-minute model 1. Use a wide stop below the market to be placed sell below buy side assessed liquidity. And the next other reason that I'm using this model 1 instead of unicorn, the sell stop placement is way better than the unicorn. Unicorn, I have to place it below that breaker block or Ferrari gap, which I like to place my sell stop below liquidity, right? Because that's where actually it's safer, right? And for the next forward on liquidity, don't trade core to sales and don't trade before core to sales and the PCP PPL. Let the major news come out first and see if they set up afterward. When the take profits hit, check for me tariff and goes above the take profit, hold the next take profit. It goes both to forget off position. Like what I set up, decrease, so I got another rule. Decrease risk after 3 losing streaks. Decrease risk in half, right? So this is an example, 1% to after losing 3 losing streak, negative to 0.25, 0.50%. After that, after another 3 losing streak to 0.29%, and so for every 3 winning streak, add back up to 1% maximum. So negative 0.25 to 0.50 to 2.21% max, right? So the break-up volatile, do not set too early and patient. I'm confident of reading motion and not greedy. Follow the process, not the outcome. Trust the process, not the setup will deliver. My expected trade evidence for the loose trade, follow the good habits, and process must scale the profits. My trade based on my analysis if I win or lose, just analyzing a certain reason. I trade avoid negative what if scenario, take action based on positive outcome. It hurts my root because this and avoid greed, self-validation, what really matters the most. Consistency and discipline in my trading comes to me add naturally, effortlessly, and abundantly, inshallah. I'll trade for I'll learn from the past, avoid repeating them. I buy till daily for 30 minutes. I'm gonna take one trade per session, even if they're breaking, we trade a single trade for the session. If I take more than one trade per session, I will experience a heavy loss. I won't take one trade per session or heavy loss will occur. Today I'm risking 0.25% because getting cooked lately, right? And oh my god, setup I'm missing, so this could help you guys out. And yeah, I'm just gonna follow what my rules says. I'm not breaking out of my rules. I'm not gonna trade after 12 PM New York 5 million. Do not trade just into that consistency. Do not trade, not necessarily to imagine who says core rates sales when it be CPI, BPI as the market does not respect my setup during these times. Look for a breakout structure first or vote for a rag with a building block. After the winning streak, focus intensely on the first setup. The first one is crucial. After winning streak, I'll avoid letting the first loss lead to continuous loss. So focus on securing a win. After the first loss to to cover the loss. So yeah, during accumulating and ranging market holder trade confidently trust the process. The market sweeps the higher low on for a time frame and buys along with the sweep. Do not enter. Allow the do not enter. Wait for the fraud again and close it for deciding. And yeah, the market hit a higher low in a 1 hour time frame. And my buys along with the sweep of liquidity. Do not enter. Allow the candle to close before deciding. The alley don't look like can say the same or not. Only if it causes the opposite of the market. Factor check to win. The market don't look at general goes up to the market look for all the comfort entering. Don't try to beat everybody, don't get everybody opinion of trying to please people. My weekly trading focus. Don't trip before call reaches sales, NFP, CPI, PPI, let them immediately come out first and see if they set up afterward. I'm gonna take one trade per session, even if they break even trade, it still counts a trade per session. If I take more than one trade per session, I'll experience a heavy loss. So I want to take one trade per session. Avoid when the take profit hit check for me time frame, it goes with profit, take profit, hold the next take profit, goes better, I'll get a position. I'm patient, I'm confident, refuse no emotions, and I'm greedy. Move for the process, not the outcome. The approach to the trade, no set will deliver. Consistency in discipline, my trading comes to me naturally and for sustainability. I'm expected to not trade every day. I'm expected to lose trades, focus on good habits, and present masculine skill for profits. I'm going to trade based on my analysis, analyze and understand the reasons. Avoid negative what if scenarios, take action based on positive outcome. I will avoid FOMO based on journey. For which I don't care about people, don't try to please people, don't care about their opinion. And yeah, and to avoid trying to please people. Decrease after 3 different trade in half 1% to 0.25%. To 0.50% to 0.25% for every three winning streak, back up to 1% maximum. 0.25% to 0.50% to 1% max. What do you follow? Because it can lead me to profit trader fast. Believe me, it can lead me to profit trader faster by following these rules. But yeah, let's see. Let me go add some cash in my crypto real quick. Ooh, okay. Okay, so yeah, I'll be right back. I'm gonna get some food. This is crazy. Fuck, nigga. I'm waiting for all the conflicts and I don't see none right now.
changes state of delivery. So there changes state. I went to try. Think about it. You really here and equilibrium is like right here, the range. No, look how tight that stop is. You want to go, you want to get a discounted entry. That's when we use our model one. Of course, I'm going to go live chart examples, right? So where you can find it. But it's pretty self-explanatory. You dig down, low that dug down to the low, right? With the candle that dug into the high. Once it's changed in state of delivery, so once it's closed above or below, depending on where it's low, wait for that either wick or body to stop. When do you want to use it? Not when, right? If prices fast after equities, expect it, but it's probably sometimes price may run off without it. Auto one guaranteed. It does happen a lot of time. There is sometimes where you may miss, especially if it changes like this, right? Let's say this. This is still basically you're sacrificing a few dollars, might not get the move. I will always, but if it's like large displacement, this is like this candle, I will always recommend for them, right? Model one, of course, you can pair it. It's probably going to be a breaker forming as well. If everybody got forming, we'll get it to all soon. So just to get some live examples, perfect. This one right here, right on the board. Little soup, close above, close below. Literally just spotted it out. Right? We can literally fractalize this price action, but just from here, close above, close below, there's our order block. You can enter off of here, but of course, you look at the RR, right? At the RR. This one takes half of the RR. Do you see why we wait? Enter off that model one, right? Write it down. Respects, never gets to the 50% level. Start equal amount. Never gets there. He uses it right out. You look at it, right? We get to that same place we do. Still have the block here. Changes data delivery. This affects it beautifully. Look onto the 15-minute. Look here, right? Get your candle right here. Turn down. Up. Turn to it right here. So order back to that here. Here. Perfect. Slow. Now, coverage. I want you to think about that. Right? All right, perfect. Now, remember the scenario I told you? Pick up candle displacement changes to delivery. If our changes right here, right? Look how fat our stuff. You want that fat of a just to get to this high? No. So, price do. It offers us basement. Offers us basement, right? And some people might get scared. Don't worry, just hitting the rejection block here. That's another model. Said it was right here, right? You could have marked out the wick of this candle. Could have marked out the literally open of this candle. Could have marked out equilibrium of the wick of this candle. That's up to preference, right? In my opinion, I always like to mark out the body. But yeah, so you had this, and now look at the R6 in comparison to, right? If this is the true turtle soup, those should not get traded, which means it doesn't matter how likely, like how far it digs, how deep it digs, doesn't matter. Why? Because see here, right? Bodies respected as world block, capital E. What's that? Get another example. I mean, you could say it's those are one. So here we have a turtle actually barely returned to it. Look here to look at our most recent execution video. And the music was so look here. Did I enter off? Oh, what did I enter off of? Model one block. This one gave me the most instead of entering E, if I were to enter off of here, which one looks like my stop is, right? And of course, it stays in deep, but I'm not worried. I'm loving this healthy displacement down. I'm loving how healthily it rejects this. You didn't see there. Tick down close candle, took out previous candles, previous candle hour high, got down liquidity. Go on to the 1 minute here. Right here, right? And then take a look at it, right? Look at the down placement. Pick up, pick down.
Let's see if we can get a total soup. This is the best time to get a soup here.
Respects it beautifully. Max down. Simple like that. That's really all that take almost models data that you model. Probably look kind of and if you guys have any other questions about models, any other everything. If you that's pretty much it. Okay, hitting. Um,
Okay, this should be the total soup right over here. This should be the
at a trick. A now
this right here is our model one. I want to say click on the clicker above.
then high. So you okay for each 1 hour distribution, everything like that. Trading is definitely gonna have a basically right that's happens. Pick up the high.
Yeah, my main take profit's gonna be these high right over here.
Market.
Yeah, this is right here. My auto block, and this if this closes bullish is still a green. I'm gonna say a closure below above. That should be the sign. Yeah, this is some good reaction out of it. So next 15-minute candle, if it can close above it, should be it. I don't care about the 15-minute fair value bro anymore. It's not needed. But if I'm using the 5-minute model one, I have to wait for a 15-minute. I have to wait for a 5-minute low to get swept out as well. which is right here. No, it's there as well. So let's see. Well, I'm gonna get wherever I get a trade. I'm gonna do trade. I'm gonna de-risk to 0.25% because I'm in the drawdown right now, which I need to get some confidence back. And in the daily time frame, what do we have in a daily? We're in the Friday range right now. It just got souped out. It looked like to be a real soup right there. And one thing we gotta keep in mind, you can see this right here, right? This other one right over here. This soup got as well the Monday. The Monday range got souped and it already hit the 50% mark. So we're no longer looking at the Monday range. Now we're looking at the Friday range because Monday range already hit the 50%. Now from that market reverse and the market do reverse hit the Friday range. So yeah, just like a little extra confluence. I might go for the 50% mark here. But let's hope if this could somewhat close bearish. Even if it doesn't close bullish, I'm still gonna use this just to because of this was the move that closed it, right? This was the move that stabbed into the old lows. Are we looking for a 15-minute and not a 5-minute? It's just strictly because of this right over here. Market hourly boss is bearish. It's against the 4-hour. So yeah. Looks like we got a soup in here.
Between the two sajdas. In order for Allah not fall that mistake they did. Unfortunately, I can count in about Sami Allah. I mean, we've been paying for 30, 50, or 60 years. Sami Allah. There are two of them. Sami is federal, third, right? It means something. So the Sami Allah, Najab answered. So now here we have that Sami Najaba answered. Sami Allah and Hamida. What does Hamida mean? One of the meanings of Hamida here is the one attribute, the perfect attribute with love and veneration. Another meaning, the one, everything I have from him. Najab Allah. Meaning of the Sami Allah. There's the one believes that every blessing he has. What do we say right after? لك الحمد. ربنا لك الحمد. Otherwise, just mechanical without any. Not for that mistake of rushing. Listen, مثلا praying, أنا كثير. That's
seem to write it down in order not to fall at rush from now on. الذي يجد لك والسلم ربك وأعلم.
Okay, so if I get a cannon closure above this is our auto block. We got a bunch of low resistance run on liquidity, so my main goal is gonna be over here and advance liquidity. It's not gonna be the 50% mark. Because I'm not really used to that shit. Take cannon closure above this, I'm looking too long.
Give you and new.
I'm gonna count that as a auto block, so if I see a cannon closure above that, I'm looking too long. If I can get a cannon closure above this, it'll be a little bit better since like that's gonna help me out. Because this to me looks like to be an auto block, because this was the one that took out the liquidity, so if I see a cannon closure above this, I'm looking too long this shit. And with this, we're having a unicorn model, so extra confirmation after extra confirmation. But yeah, right when I get in a trade, I'm expected to trade. Focus on making habits better. Let's see if we get a candle closure above that.
If you focus on learn, explain why, short, summation, stick, license to everything. But I generally obsessed. Surprising. Mindset. Especially if that person is trained. It's trained. Which again, should and you self situations where you
Let's see if we can get a push up.
so obsessed with self, self to even inspire, stop, seeing, seeing people around, so as well. The lessons and insights of testing out techniques, strategies, lessons and insights to displace this competition. So the same as the obsessed start exponentially obsessed training. Mostly learn. That's why I want short form, just partnering Short form is like news with steroids. What I love about short form is that short summary is before leading to one. Second, summary scrolling social media. They even have if you prefer to listen instead. Lastly, you can also dive deeper into the summary. I've created full guides for each chapter with references to other books and exercises. Check them out totally for 5 days by clicking. Get an additional 20% discount. Join. Treat by social. In conclusion, don't obsess with fake wins training. Obsess of the real win situations where it truly is. To achieve those real wins, you need to obsess learning training, even if it's facing a little humiliation along the way. What's most important is that you walk away with lessons that you need to succeed.
If the market goes back down and takes out this low, then I'm gonna be looking for a candle closure of this, then I'm looking too long. So let's see. The 4-hour drone liquidity is bullish. The 4-hour buy says bullish until what? To this 4-hour candle closure. So the 4-hour buy is bullish, so the 1-hour buy says bearish. 1-hour liquidity is bullish, but once the market does this drone liquidity, it does now better. Because we only have our order entry. Interrupt. Okay.
Music is haram. Not but understand something that music uses frequency. And frequencies are used to alter
people's understanding. Meaning that if you play a certain frequency, it will initiate certain emotions and chemical reactions in you. This is fact, science. Look it up. Meaning that if I want to get you guys hyped up by certain frequencies and beats that if I play, you'll feel like you want to fight. And if I want to calm you down, have you relaxed, or maybe produce more children, there are certain frequencies that will psychologically and biologically affect you. And music uses that, they control you. So there is no, it's harmless. It's messing with you. It's influencing. When you listen to something, there was a sheikh I met myself, and from Mecca. And he said there were years and years ago, 90s, this brother was telling me, I met him in 2000. And he said, you know, the haram, people would die around Mecca, one of the people that would take the bodies. And it was
No, I'm not gonna use this as an auto block. The reason I'm not gonna use this as an auto block, because this one was not the one that took out this liquidity, right? It was this one, so I'm gonna be using this one as an auto block and not this.
later the sheikh and so on. He said we would take some people and they would be unconscious and they would be reciting Quran. Because they had spent their lifetime listening to Quran and thinking about Quran. He said, but I remember, I said it was in the 90s. He said, I remember a young Saudi kid that was in a car accident that had smashed half his body. But he was still semi-conscious. He was unconscious, but he was still speaking. Like when they were addressing him, he couldn't hear or respond, but he was speaking. He said, when I got close, I heard him singing Michael Jackson song. And he said he died on it. He died singing Michael Jackson. Imagine you get up on the day of judgment and you're talking about beat it. So don't take it light. Music is haram. You have that shortcoming, ask Allah for forgiveness and try. Listen to lectures. Our channel has no music, no nothing. You know, we for the women, we make sure everything. Yeah. Stick to those kind of channels, inshallah.
Is it also dawah?
Coding. My coding. Starting salary is generally, and you customize your own work hours. You can work exciting projects with big companies, and it does not
Fuck you,
require
crooked.
tonight's not
handed over the check, handed me the van. You
Hands are naturally becoming and hands are
boss.
hands are
The country.
electric vehicle. I got set for shit. I got my your argument seeing change. Number one is the security. Security is charging a change. You showing patient
Tonight, some plan second season streamer September.
okay.
somewhere. Something. Somebody steps in. Don't you dare.
Who's
No,
up?
no.
Us.
Was that a party? Needed white tail jacket. I thought it's the hottest. She is. She looks super advanced for a 5-year-old. Still, like she's around and super advanced. So she could get a job if she really wanted to.
Huh?
Yeah, I know a company that's hiring. Communicator, good eyesight, super advanced like her.
Do you want a job?
She. Person. I see. Felony. Felony.
Let's see if we got a display over here.
Another felony. That it? And then what if that open? Let's see. Read this.
Father, I have been abducted. It says abduct. Just say I have been abducted. I am fine right now, but I may not be. You do not pay the son 1 million.
Son.
As said, sum
Of one.
that's what
Say what it means.
it may not be for long. If you 1 million, see me, this man mean businesses. Says businesses. That's what it says. You told me. You said to improv. Drop.
Street improv.
Sexually frustrated, degenerate users. Business.
Don't. Read this. This guy started.
Hey, guess who's been around? Some cat. Yo, which one of these celebrities? E. Diddy or Aiden Ross? Aiden Ross? Thank you for
Let me help you.
Bro, I might fall asleep, bro.
I
Anyway. Anyway.
Hey, y'all.
Yeah. You don't get it. 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 You don't get it. It.
This is the name of
Sure. Is it? I mean, for you, in terms of the word, make dua to Allah is lifetime. This is the name of Allah. Holy name. It's 1, 2. Keep even if you so I'm taking
She's found. Said she had a seizure.
huge jackhammer.
My fans. Teenage girl.
Take care about his sweetheart, Jack or Derek Hamlin. In your head to yes, no. Go with strike. Burn out of your face. Change it. Yeah, we had a deal. Okay. One is on shooter.
She's found. Said and handed over the check, handed me the van. Even though taken out the money inside it and handed over that check, the Dodge chip, it never. It was still pounding uninterrupted, even though he used the nothing. if you
Yeah, this is not going. I'm just gonna call it early. If I do see it, I'm gonna take the trade. If I don't see it while I'm sleeping, I'm like, fuck this shit. So I'm just gonna save it. This is my 10/8/2024 market daily market recap. Actually, not really biased. I'm still looking for a setup. I still have like another 40 minutes. So I'm gonna go take a nap, wake up at next session. And I don't feel like market's gonna go over here with the next 40 minutes, close above this one. This is actually my order block in the lower time frame. That's a move down and a move up. Over here, this right over here was the one that took out liquidity, right? That stabbed into the liquidity, close above because he took a lot of money, right? But yeah, this is like order blocks, and yeah, if I see a closure above that, I'm looking to enter. I'm not looking to enter any of these order blocks that the market might create, just because these one never took out any liquidity, and if it for me was only this one that took out liquidity. So this is my model one. I'm still looking for entry, but I'm gonna go early. So yeah, thank you for watching.